Have you ever wanted to explore the early days of your favorite YouTubers? Sorting videos by the oldest is the perfect way to unlock a whole new level of YouTube exploration. In this video, we'll show you how to do just that with just one click. Before we get started, if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. It really helps us out. The first thing you need to do is head over to YouTube.com. In the search bar, type in the name of the channel whose first videos you want to watch. I'll demonstrate this on my channel, but you can do it on any channel you like. Once you've found and opened the channel, click on the Videos tab. By default, you'll see the latest uploads. Look for the 3 sorting options at the top right of the video section. Click on Oldest, and voila! The videos will now be sorted by the earliest uploads, letting you see the channel's very first content. This trick works on any YouTube channel, so enjoy exploring those early videos. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.